again with another video. And in this video, what we'll do is we'll look at an alternative for VLookup. Now, we have done videos that uploaded onto the channel that show you how to use the VLookup function. But there is a shortcoming in VLookup, and that is a VLookup only looks to the right. So say, for example, this is the reference column, and you want to look up an item that's a value that's to the right, VLookup would work. But if it was, say for example, the dealer column, and you wanted to look up based on which dealer it is, you want to look up how much revenue they brought in, VLookup cannot do that, because here what you're doing is you're looking towards the left of the reference column. So VLookup does not work there. So what we will do is in this video show you a workaround, and the workaround is using the index function coupled with the match function. Okay, so let's get started. What we'll do is we'll open up another sheet. This is by the way, the data sheet that we have used in quite a few of the tutorials. This is the sales ledger from a company that supplies products to pizza parlors and restaurants in the New York State area. Okay, so let's just go ahead and enter the sheet. We'll create the sheet and let's look up to the left. Okay, now say for example you want to look up the revenue for a few of the the dealers. So let's see, we'll pick up Acme Pizza and ABC Pizza, Favors, why not, Family, and Fifth Street. Okay, so those are the dealers that we will be looking up. Okay, and so I'm gonna paste that name here. All right, and just gonna resize. I'm just gonna zoom in so it looks it's easier to see. All right, now what we want is we want to see what revenue was achieved by these dealers. Okay, so this would be your the revenue column. Okay, and let's put that, and we'll also format this as the currency, and no decimal places. There you go. Okay, so now what we have done is we have formatted that column same as this column here. Now what we want to do is we want to look up the revenue for those selected dealers. Okay, so the way you do that is, like I said, VLookup does not work, because in this case this is your reference column. Okay, your dealership is your reference column, and the value you're looking up is towards the left. VLookup only looks towards the right. Okay, so the workaround, like I had said at the beginning, is going to be using a combination of the index function coupled with the match function. Okay, so let's start. And as you know, I've shown that in the previous videos also. You just need to start typing the function name, and Excel will prompt you the possibilities of, like for example, if I just type IND, it says either you're trying to type index or you're trying to type indirect, and also gives you a small tip as to how this function works. So we need index, and once you have selected that, it gives you it tells you how to use it also. Okay, so what we're going to do is, what we are pulling is the revenue. Okay, we are pulling in the revenue column. Now row number, what we are going to do is we are going to match the dealership name here with the dealers on this sheet. Okay, and only pick up the revenue that that matches the dealer name here. Okay, So we're going to use the match function. Okay, that says lookup value. We are looking up Acme Pizza. Okay, comma, and lookup array. This is your lookup array. Okay, that's the dealers list, and we want in exact match. Okay, and close bracket. That's the bracket close for the match, and then we do another one for the index. Okay, now if you notice Acme Pizza, it shows 992.82. So let's just quickly check if that is correct. Acme Pizza, and that's this row here. Acme Pizza, the revenue is 992.82. That was fine. Okay, now what we can do is we can copy this format down, but it's a catch. This, what you have to do is you have to lock this, because if you don't, let me show you what happens. If I were to drag this down, see how this is the array is from the 9th row to the 50th row. Here is going to be 10th and the 51st row, and 11 and 52, 52nd row, 11, 12 and the 53rd row, 13 and 54th row. So what we need to do is we need to lock these two cells so they don't creep forward. Okay, and we also need to lock these two, so these two ranges are locked. Okay, now once I've done that, I'm going to copy this format down, and there you go. Okay, now let's just quickly check. We just checked Acme Pizza, so that was right. Okay, so let's see, ABC Pizza 806,034. Okay, so ABC Pizza, that's this guy here, 806,034. Fake Brothers, that would be this guy here. Revenue is 224,717, 224,717. Okay, let's just do a couple more. We've got a couple more left. The Family Pizza, this guy here, the revenue is 521, 496. Oops, sorry, it's this row here. So I'm sorry, that was Jim Pizza. Family Pizza is 725, 430, 725, 430, and the 49th Street Pizza is 703, 940, and the 49th Street Pizza is 703, 940. So that's correct. Okay, so that's essentially how you would use the index function, couple it with the match function, and use this combination to look up values that are to the right of the reference column. Oh, sorry, to the left of the reference column. To the right of the reference column, you can always go ahead and continue using the VLookup function, which has been there ever since Excel first came out, I think. But if you want to look up something that's lies to the left of the reference column, then you cannot use VLookup. So then you have to use something similar to this combination of index and match. Okay, that's it for this video. Like I had said in the beginning, this is going to be a very short and quick video, just to show you how to use the index match function combination to look up values which are located to the left of the reference column. Now, if you folks like this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And when you do, please kind of hit that bell icon also. That way, Google will automatically send you notifications when I upload new videos. Thank you very much.